A firefighter running away from a forest fire with a koala in his hands. This emotional image shows that the devastating impact of forest fires on our environment as well as on an endangered species. Even though we have improved our technologies and firefighting skills, still we are hearing a lot of problems caused by it. Why is that? In my recent studies, I found that there is a lack of early detection system in order to find the forest fire. By the time a CCTV or satellite find it out and inform the authorities, the damage may be already done. So how we can solve it? As part of my PhD program, currently I'm working on this next generation thin film solar cell called antimony selenide solar cell. Why it's called next generation? Compared to the traditional silicon solar cell, I can make them with low amount of material and temperature. Meanwhile, a silicon solar cell needs 2000 degrees Celsius to make them. I can make this one in my lab at 500 degrees Celsius. Along with that, these solar cells can work in low light condition and at high temperature also. And in my lab, I make them using a technology called vapor transport deposition. Currently, this one is about 6 to 9% efficient, which means that it is not yet ready for a large-scale application. But if I combine this about 10 or 20 of them together, I can power up a small IoT device. So I want to use them to fight against the fire. How? That's on the next device that we are working on. It's an IoT device which has smoke, temperature, as well as CO2 sensors which can detect the fire within seconds, and an LTE connectivity to inform the authorities within minutes. Since they are powered by the solar cells, they can work for a long time without any maintenance, and these solar cells can work in low light condition, which will be applicable in dense forest conditions. We believe that we will be able to ship these devices at a cost close to €100, which will help us to deploy them in large area forests. Currently, our plan is to test these devices in Tallinn forest by next summer, and the idea is that in an event of fire, an emergency SOS will be sent to the forest department, and they can react immediately, and then a huge problem can be solved. In Tallinn, along with my students and my colleagues, we believe that as we humans develop our society using all the natural sources, we also have the responsibility to keep our ecosystem safe. And I believe that this new technology will be a first step towards that. Let's go. Let's try our best to keep our forests green, safe, and sustainable. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Here's the apple for you.
Thank you.
And clicker for me. A nice thing you have. How much was it? €100?
Not yet.
Not yet.
€100
okay.
for the device.
Let's see. Okay. Thank you.